From deep within the earth to the glowing lights in our homes, coal takes an incredible journey. Let's unveil the power behind coal power stations. Coal is mined through open-pit or underground methods. Gigantic machines scoop up tons of black rock that once formed from ancient plants. Once mined, coal is cleaned and transported by train or conveyor belts to power plants across the country. At the plant, coal is pulverized into fine dust. This dust burns faster and hotter, ready for the furnace. Inside the massive boiler, pulverized coal ignites, releasing extreme heat, thousands of degrees that turn water into steam. This heat turns water into superheated steam. The high-pressure steam races through turbine blades, spinning them at incredible speeds. The spinning turbine connects directly to a generator. Inside, coils and magnets create electricity through electromagnetic induction, turning motion into power. Transformers boost the voltage so electricity can travel long distances across power lines to homes and businesses. Modern coal plants now use scrubbers, filters, and precipitators to capture harmful gases and dust, reducing air pollution. Today, scientists are researching cleaner coal technologies and carbon capture systems, but renewable energy sources are steadily rising. From coal mines to city lights, we've uncovered how coal power stations keep our world running, and how cleaner solutions are shaping the future. Can you think of one advantage and one disadvantage of coal power stations? Here's one possible answer. An advantage of coal power stations is that they provide a reliable and consistent source of electricity. A disadvantage is that they produce greenhouse gases and other pollutants, impacting the environment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more science and technology explainers. Until next time.